Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Para sutresna budaya keparinga kula badhe ngangge rasukan kebaya Jawi. Monggo dipun pirsani. Pun tepangaken kula Herlina Astuti, lajeng kula Diah Ayu Lestari, lajeng sisih kula Desi Jiat. Kula badhe jlentrehake babagan uga rampe rasukan adat Jawi kebaya Putubari. Ingkang sepisan kula badhe dandan make up nggih, sugeng mirsani.
With your phone in your hands and you're hurt. You tell me that you feel like you lost me when he came. I'm sorry but I cannot connect with your words. Cause right now what matters isn't yours but it's his name. And we just need to find another income. Cause she wants you to help her with her own one. And you want me to tell me that what you've done is okay. So now you're gonna be another father, and I will be a different kind of mother. And how'd you tell her to the about step brothers? That is straight. Well, I will be the strongest that he ever knew, and I will be there when he needs a love.
Menika make up sampun dados, sakmenika badhe masak ukelan. Menika masang ukel sampun dados. Niki kula badhe ngagem kebaya.
Talk about family. Let's talk about family. Let's talk on the ties and the likes and the love that we.
Ugi menika panjenenganipun pikantuknipun cekap semanten atur kula matur suwun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.